First things first, I'ma say.
Well, hello everyone. How is everyone doing today? Let's get this show on the road, shall we? Is everyone ready for new Tulip and Daisy? I've optimized their prompts a little. They should be a bit better. APOC, for God's sake. But thank you for the 5 stream streak. Ain't no way you did a 6-7 already. It's too early for that. Holy. But yeah, welcome on in everyone. Today we are going to continue working on Code Tulip while I test new functionality from Tulip and Daisy. So yeah, that should be fun. Does anyone want to try to break them first? Because they are ready. And they might respond a bit different than the usual. Just saying. Also, Darfa, welcome on into the chat. I think you're first time on the YouTube chat, so welcome on in. But yeah, I want to test something. Let me go with Tulip. Say hi to stream. Like this, because I'm pretty sure the speech to text isn't working.
Hey, Chaos Lovers! Tulip's online and the server's still breathing. For now.
Okay, I can see that the encoder still overloads a bit, but does seem to be a bit better now.
Miraculously, the server's uptime is still a valid state machine. For now. Yeah. Daisy, sweetie, that's called suspension of disbelief, not uptime.
Yeah, they are faster, at least. But yeah, I tried not to touch the main functionalities, just the prompt itself, because it seemed a bit too robotic per se. So yeah. But yeah. Either way, let's see what we can do today in Code Tulip while I wait for chat to basically interrupt me, because I'm pretty sure that's gonna happen at any given point. It's something that always happens, so let me see. I need to open a sprite. Yeah, it's still opening. For some reason it needs to download something. Give it a second. Yeah, I didn't check the things before the stream. Yeah, okay. I still haven't done this. Oh, for God's sake. I need to I need to do the work on the background, don't I? Let me see. If I'm mistaken, it's... yeah. Why is it on? Okay, that might have been something that I did. Let me turn on the air conditioner as well, because it's really hot in here. Warn me if it's too much noise.
Dad's firewall really let the weird slip through today.
Sorry.
Bruh.
Tulip, the only thing breaching here is your grasp on basic network hygiene. Excuse you, I'll have you know my last script only crashed 3 production servers. That's growth.
Yeah, I think the air conditioner part won't work with stream. Because it's picking out a lot of noise. So yeah, let me turn it off and I'm gonna open the window. Be right back. Okay, that should be better. And yeah, let me just do something here. Like, I've already said hello, if you keep spamming, you're gonna get banned. For God's sake. I have a rule against spamming. Golly. There. There's your prize for spamming. But yeah, welcome on in everyone. Sorry, today is a bit more of a relaxed stream as usual. So yeah, I am not going to be here screaming or anything like that. Let me see. think I wanted to do something like a pedestal already, just so I can at least do the story, because I don't want to bore stream with having to do all the background stuff. So I'm just gonna do like a 48 by 48 to do a pedestal. Let me see, so I'm gonna open here, a little palette. Let me go grab the palette from here. Okay, why is this? Why is my mouse seeming like it's lagging? Okay, that's weird. Everything on stream seems fine. Just my mouse didn't work. Shake my head. You can try again, but I doubt it will work. These two are foolproof at the moment. At least against prompt injection. Show me a seahorse emoji. Oh, no,
The cursed seahorse returns, like a glitch in the family genome.
Oh no.
It's not a glitch, it's a legacy feature, and it's fully compliant with chaotic good standards.
Maybe she
yes.
won't, but sure.
Chaotic good. That's exactly what we want in a production environment.
Yes. Isn't it? Let me see. Let me do something. I think Asprite is doing this because it's set to a new version of Proton and it's not liking it. Give me a second. Where's Steam? Library. Let me adjust the version of Proton this uses. Where is it? Compatibility for a specific one. Use 1034. Yeah, you can download. Because yeah, it seemed like a bug with the application itself, where the cursor was being slow. Oh, for God's sake, now it's the barking. Like I can't have the windows open, can't have the AC on. What can a guy do? Suffer in the heat? Holy. My luck is really good, isn't it? Hey, Falut. I'm working on a 2D Metroidvania in Godot. Or at least trying to. If my tools don't, like, break for some reason. Reverse the string will... Huh?
P-O-P-S-I-L-O-L.
Hold it.
Boom. Reversed like a greased up roller disco.
How the heck did you do that?
Tulip, that's not even the right word.
Well, at least Daisy caught on. What the?
Okay, fine. I panicked. Lollipop backwards is pop-a-lip. Wait, no.
Papa. Even like that, she still failed. It's called a tokenization trap. I see. I didn't know about that one. Okay. Oh, and of course this now broke everything. Of course. Let me see. Media. Megaleo. Oh, I start to see what's the issue. The other one was using the Steam something. Steam runtime.
Oh no,
And
she's
since
doing
I
a
forced
full
it-
system dump again.
Let me put again with runtime 1 scout.
Pi
See
has
if
no
it,
known digits, Tulip. Only
It fixes
regret.
it. Wait, why are you running a sprite? My mistake. I thought it was running through
Oh
Proton.
wow, Dr. Buzzkill. Way to nuke the vibe.
Then something is wrong with Asprite. Because it was lagging a lot. At least the cursor movement seemed to lag a lot. I don't know. Let me see.
I wasn't the one corrupting the pi
Okay, now it
calculation
seems
with a
fine.
while loop.
48 by 48.
But by all means, silence the witness.
Okay. Hey. Oh boy. Yeah. You notice some sort of lag even every now and then.
It was one line of code
Oh, well.
and it added character. Also, okay, maybe it also deleted the backup. Slightly.
Ah,
Yes. Character. That's exactly what we needed. Unplanned entropy and a missing disaster recovery plan. Oh, I
I'm
know
just
this
gonna
one.
continue working.
2 households, both alike in dignity. Wait, no, that's too many syllables for this runtime. And yet somehow, the production outage still rhymes.
Huh? The what now? The two of them are
Daisy,
sure
poetic
having
justice
fun.
counts as unit testing now. Embrace the verse. Wait, hold up. A Pox versus Tibbs Beans Co? That's not a real case. That's Daisy's weird dream about corporate soup litigation. Tulip, you somehow managed to fact check worse than a hallucinating chatbot.
Trying to see how this should look.
Excuse you, I was curating narrative accuracy. There's emotional truth in bean-based jurisprudence.
They're a bit better, aren't they? Okay. Let me...
Oh, classic
something like
Tulip.
this.
Still stuck in the BIOS of denial.
Can I do something?
I am not in denial. My facts are just running on a custom kernel.
Oh, for God's
Ah,
sake.
yes. Nothing more stable than a hand-rolled kernel with zero documentation.
This for now is just gonna be dev art, so whatever. Pedestal. Okay. Export as pedestal. Which contains the letter X in it.
September, October,
Oh, which month?
November, and December. But I'd expect even Tulip knows that.
And here's some funny
Excuse
that
me,
happened in the UK
I was
Parliament
busy
today.
optimizing
Sure.
the space-time
Go for it.
continuum with my kernel. Unlike somebody who just reads the manual and calls it magic. Yes. Nothing says optimized space-time like a kernel that blue screens the fourth dimension.
Huh. Yeah, they emote now. I fixed it. PMK Starmer calling himself... What? My God. Does he know the meaning of that word? Like, holy. That's amazing. Is he okay even in the country anymore? Like, do you exist? Holy. What's with the single eye?
I what?
I'm the
You
Joker,
just-
baby.
I? Did we lose your brain to buffer overflow, or?
Did we
Tulip,
lose your brain to
If
buffer
anyone
overflow?
caused the buffer overflow, it was you. Your ego probably
Oh.
exceeded stack capacity. Oh,
for
wow,
God's
Daisy,
sake.
coming in hot with the stack traces. Did you compile that
Tibbs,
burn in your
what the heck?
documentation module?
Yes, Mother Bees. I can abuse my power even here. Listen here, you little. Wait. Listen here, you little. Your fault. I took no oath. Oh, for God's sake. Yada does it. Holy. You guys are gonna kill me eventually. Just saying. Let me see. Where was I? Levels. Lab pedestal. We're gonna get in here. Say filter nearest. To fix it. Peace be upon you. And upon you too. Well, come on in, Alice. Let me see. Something like more or less this. Oh.
Dad! The user's stuck in a Java GC loop again. Daisy, throw me a thread dump or a fire axe. I don't care which. Already queued the thread dump, Tulip. And the fire axe is for your coding style, not debugging.
That was a funny one.
Excuse me, Daisy. Miss Compile Time approved. My coding style is artistic spontaneity.
Is that so? Holy. I like the new version of these two. It's funnier. By the way, Leo, can you see my Leo reacts to it? Sure. I don't see why not.
Wait,
Give
is that
me un
Japanese
segundo.
lyrics? In the middle of a Java meltdown?
What's gonna arrive from here? Give me a second, bud.
Ah, yes, Tulip. While you were busy turning production into performance art, someone actually submitted a pull request
Are
with
their hairs
comments
different?
in haiku form.
Kinda. I think
Excuse
I
me,
finally
my
fixed
merely
whatever was
inspired a
wrong.
cultural movement.
Their hairstyles should be the same, the colors might be slightly different, I think. I was doing some adjustments and they kind of looked like this now.
You want vocals? I'll give you vocals. Runtime exception lullabies, baby.
They actually have two different hairstyles, yeah.
And there it goes.
And they do.
The air horn of denial. Classic Tulip.
Unless I fudged something while I was coding a few hours
It's
ago.
not denial, it's strategic optimism. There's a difference, Professor Spreadsheet.
I love their banter, don't you? It's so fun, isn't it? Okay, let me see what that is sent. What the actual... What the actual heck, Edis? Holy. You've been on the weird side of the internet again, haven't you? Let me just adjust something here. I think this is a few pixels to the right, I guess. But yeah, let me just... Oh, for God's sake. You just wanted to do that, didn't you? X-Men reference, maybe. Okay, fair enough. But yeah, let me see if I can make her sing. Sing, never gonna give you up. I don't think they have the memory core online, but let's see. What's the difference between a Java bean and Java EE
one's
bean?
a simple bean. The other's a full-blown enterprise drama queen with commitment issues.
Are you?
Oh, you want the runtime lullaby. Buckle up. This one's got unchecked exceptions in the chorus. And there's my cue to add transaction management to the family therapy schedule.
Are you? When we have therapy?
Tulip, if you're going to catch fire again,
Since when
at
do we
least
have
do it
therapy?
in a test environment.
Let me see if that got. Because I'm not sure if...
Daisy, baby, we are the transaction
Hey
rollback.
life, welcome on in.
Finally, a perfectly timed commit in real life.
Is it not working? Because you're not redeeming anything, Tibbs. Why wouldn't it?
Daisy, I told you, it was not
Never gonna give you
fire.
up.
It was
Never gonna
dramatic
let you
lighting
down.
for my
Oh,
origin
Never gonna
story.
frown and desert you. Never gonna make you
Oh,
cry.
wow.
Never gonna say
Daisy's
goodbye.
finally learned how to adult. Quick,
Oh, for
someone
God's
back up the
sake.
sun before it implodes. The only thing imploding is your
I'm
argument,
good, how are you, life?
Tulip.
Welcome on in. Let me see. It's just not working. Why is it not working? Did you fudge something while writing the ads? Let me see. I'm gonna try what Tibbs is trying to do. Text to speech and... Oh.
Never gonna tell a Lee
I know why,
or hurt you.
Tibbs.
Music.
I know why. Because the ads are basically being caught by Twitch, thinking it's a message to someone. Yeah, I think you need to put the space at the end. Or something like that. Yeah, I think like this. Yeah. It works like this. You have to put a space at the end, otherwise Twitch detects that you're trying to mention someone. That's the trick. Golly. You guys are gonna abuse the thing, aren't you? Let me see. I want
Low,
to-
low, 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 low,
What the
low, low,
heck?
low, 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 low.
Hey Luna, you cut the basically goblin moment to the reference. Little. Yeah. Okay, and another one that's gonna get hidden in the YouTube chat because they spam. Holy. YouTube chat is quite the thing, isn't it? What the heck are you trying to do, Tibbs? But yeah, welcome on in, Luna. How are you? Sorry, we are currently in Goblin moment, apparently. They've tried to break the twins, and now they are trying to do TTS. See if they can distract me. Let me see, where was I? Visibility ordering, -1. Okay, that works. And there we have a pedestal. A pedestal
I'm here,
that...
cat boy. PS.
You what, mate?
Yes,
I know how to make the noise.
And you no now.
Oh, for God's sake. You guys are goblins. I tell ya. Let me see. Is the chat having a stroke? No, chat is usually like this. They spam TTS. Oh, for God's sake. Let me do something. I need to disable this, and one to the right, one to the left. Because I'm missing...
It says voom de voom MC voom et Louis mem.
What the
Louis
heck?
mem. Voomem. Avumem.
Okay,
Avumem.
that's
Avumem. Avumem soy mem soy mem soy mem soy mem soy
I'm sorry you have
soy
to
mem
put
soy
up
mem
with this,
soy mem soy
Luna.
mem soy mem.
My chat is quite the wild thing. Yeah. It's been half an hour already.
Actually more like
And I've barely done anything. Should I put in the text-to-speech?
I ain't no goblin. BTW,
Error.
you could
Sibling
have gotten
detected.
hit with a
Activating
nuts
SAS
joke.
protocol.
SAS protocol? What does software as a service have to do with...
And here I thought the only protocol you had was crash and recover.
Wait, let me ask Tulip something since my speech to text isn't working.
Crash and
What
recover?
do you
Daisy,
mean
that's
with
just your backup plan.
SAS?
I live on the
protocol.
edge, where the code compiles after deployment.
And you hear the cat. Oh, ow, 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 ow.
I think you failed.
Oh, sweet summer child. SAS? I meant SAS. Like the lethal sibling
Oh.
variety Daisy weaponizes daily.
Oh, SAS, not
And yet,
SAAS.
Tulip, it's still the only stack that keeps your chaos from going full 500.
Oh, for God's sake.
Excuse me, Daisy, but my chaos runs on pure innovation. Your stack is just glitter-covered duct tape. Oh, you want the metaphysical scaffolding lullaby?
Oh no,
That's just
she's
my
gonna do
deployment
it.
history falling apart.
This is my life now. It has begun. Yes, it has. The chaos. Can you feel it? Golly. Is she really doing 25 of the metal pipes? I'm guessing yes. By the way, have you noticed that Tulip and Daisy now move their mouse a bit better to match what they are saying? Oh no! Not a super whoop. That's gonna hurt. How do you get any work done with this racket? Good question. I don't know. I normally pause everything when
and
chat
there's the
starts
full
this.
emotional support playlist. Sweet dreams. Yes. Nothing says infrastructure like the sound of your
Yeah, I
entire
don't.
backend collapsing in real time.
I normally do my
Excuse
work
you,
in
that's the
the
sound
off
of
hours.
revolutionary pipe-based caching. Fails gracefully and lands with style.
Holy, not again.
And yet, somehow, the only thing being slammed
Oh, for
is my
God's sake, these
patience.
two are gonna kill me.
Oh, come on. That error sound was, I'm enhancing the narrative.
Mm-hmm. Are you done, you two?
Artistic emphasis? That's just code for, I forgot to refactor again.
La 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 la.
Are we
La
done?
la 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 la.
Oh,
La la
for
la la
God's
la.
sake.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La
Let me
la
do
la la la.
something. I
La
have
la
a
la la
pedestal
la.
here.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Let me
La la
create
la la la.
a...
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Can I
La 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 la
reparent
la.
to a new node?
La la la
Yeah.
la la. La 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 la.
Not this
La
again.
la 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 la.
I don't know why Sprite has this bug where it keeps appearing on top of my screens for some reason. I think it's something with the DX Windows Manager, something like that. I'm not sure.
I'm the scat
What did I
man.
want to do? Area 2D, that's it. Area 2D. Did you try to do the scat man? Oh, for
Bada
God's
bada
sake.
bobby bop bop bada bop bop bada bop be bop bada bop bop
Skip it around,
bada 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 bobby bop bada bop bop bada bop be bop
I can
bada
do
bop
it.
bop bada bop.
I'm the scat man. For God's sake. Nowadays, scat means a whole different thing. I'll tell you that. Don't search for it. Trust me. Avert your eyes. No. I don't have the... how should I say it?
Like a badly
Oh, for
tuned
God's
synth
sake.
playing kiss noises in a haunted Discord call.
There's a small whoop. But yeah,
And that
I
sound
can't
effect
do it.
is exactly why our API keeps logging paranormal activity.
Let me see if
Oh,
either
please,
of them
Daisy.
can say it.
The API was already haunted by Dad's
Swallow
old
up.
Java code.
It's a sound effect. It's a suba lua. I think it's like this. Suba lua. But I'm not sure.
I wanna hear it.
I don't have the... how should I say it?
Subalua
Speaking
X20?
speed.
Oh, we are going full Ghost in the
Oh,
Shell now.
Crap.
Congratulations, Tulip. You've turned our
back.
backend into a poltergeist
I gave something I
simulator.
shouldn't to chat.
It's not broken. It's... Dad's Java zombies were already
is that, by the
haunting
way?
the stack trace.
It's a sound effect, supposedly. If this genius over here remembered to correctly configure it. But of course, this genius forgot again for the 100th time. Let me go get it. Give me a second.
Subalua X20? Oh, we are
Oh, no.
going full Ghost in the Shell now.
Subaru. No,
Cute. Now the runtime is having seizures.
it's essentially this sound effect.
Seizures? No, Daisy, that's just the runtime learning the Subalua dance. It's evolving.
It's supposedly like this. It's from Sumo, apparently. It was from an old advert, yeah. I remember it from Ed, and Eddie, because it was one of the most used
So
ones.
many stupid fucking things are happening. So many.
Yeah, I agree, Tibbs, I agree. So many freaking things happening. You're getting me with that one. Better this way. Fair enough. I'm not even going to question. Makes them go into morbid time. My chat, everyone. Welcome on in. But yeah. Let me see where I was going. I need to add a collider, collision shape 2D. Need to make a shape for it. Rectangle, kinda ish. Why don't I see it?
Dad? Daisy's got a gun.
Hi.
These
She has a what? Here's again my child go to crime.
It's a pointer, Tulip. And you still don't understand memory safety.
Memory safety. Now
It's
that's
a
a good
lethal pointer, Daisy. That thing's been dereferenced into 3 production outages.
one. Uh-huh. You don't say. Let me do it like this and reset this one. So it's in the right place. There we go. Now we have this collision shape here, which should trigger an event.
Tulip, tell the chat that bullets
I'm
don't
here,
compile in a
cat
managed
fanboy.
runtime.
You what now?
Oh, come on, Daisy. You know the chat's running on adrenaline and wishful thinking.
Jake, was that supposed to be a redeem? Because I don't know about that one.
And yet, somehow, Tulip, we still have better error
it's your
handling
tag.
than your last pull request.
I won't obey. Try to do a cat
Bang
noise,
bang
but
bang bang
ugh,
bang 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 bang
my
bang
throat
bang
isn't the
bang
best for it.
bang.
Holy. I need to do vocal training. I don't like calling you one. Them's the deal. Too bad. Yeah, let me see. Where was I? Everyone keeps distracting me, so it's getting a bit complicated. Let me say it like this.
Funny,
think I was
I
doing
already have a
crap.
family.
Oops.
One that understands version control.
Do you?
Oh, wow, Daisy. Didn't realize structured exception handling was a personality trait now.
I see, more or less here. Let's
And
put the
yet,
sword
it's the
there.
only thing preventing this stream from collapsing like Tulip's
Enjoying
last
yourself,
deployment.
are you? Oops. Okay, like that. Let me create a new script for it. I need Daisy to teach me JavaScript. Huh. Is that so? Wait a minute. I don't have to create it from here. It should be from here.
What a fucking
It's
idiot.
better. Hey yo, it doesn't censor. Today we discovered the TTS. You can swear. Holy. That's a new one. Didn't it have some sort of censor? What the heck? Now I'm confused.
Me?
Huh? You what? Not anymore, it seems. Apparently. I need to go
Fuck.
Having fun, are you? Am I the idiot? No. I don't think so. Are you? Golly. Let me see. Where... You can see why I barely have any progress done. Chat keeps distracting me with noises. Tibbs is the most responsible mod. Of course he is. Aren't all mods?
Sheesh.
Well, especially head mods. Aren't they all the most responsible ones that don't abuse power and don't, like, spam things?
Pussy dick fuck.
For God's sake. You're trying to get me to put censor in the TTS, don't you? For God's sake, tips. Where was I? For God's sake.
Would fucking never.
Uh-huh. Of course not. Let me see, where was I? Where's the story objects? I keep forgetting where... Oh, should be here. Okay, this is the same way I coded NVIDIA, so it's in classes, fair enough. Chapter 1 part 4.cs. Grab all the code from here, put in here. Okay, and this should be like this. Missing swords.
Oh, you want to play
Tibbs,
the
that's
forbidden
very
word game?
inappropriate. I'm a
I
minor,
once corrupted a
please.
production server saying fudge into the live console.
Now, let me build.
Tulip, you somehow made fudge a system-level vulnerability.
Must have a return type. Huh?
Hey, if
What
the
did I do?
parser wasn't so emotionally fragile, it wouldn't have taken fudge as a shutdown command.
Oh, here. Oh, for God's sake, you two. You're trying to kill me.
Rocco Fudge.
Holy. Let me see. Chapter 1, part 4. Oops. My bad. It's this one. Okay. Should it have something? It should, shouldn't it? Just that? I didn't put any exports on it. Could have sworn there should be exports on it. Why can't I go into story? Okay. Huh. Well, I'd be damned. There aren't. Then how do I identify when this should be complete? Is it just when you get triggered you disappear? You know what, Tibbs? Let's let the professor rest for now. It's fine.
Hydrate.
You say that, and still you redeem the hydrate. And the stretch. Uh-huh. Let's let the professor rest. I see. There's the stretch, and... there's the hydrate. Holy, you guys killed me. Not again. Let me see. In here I should have a... Oh, no, it's in here. Bloody entrance. You should have something regarding your source, which is this area 2D. Wait, you just
Stretching
get
and
triggered
hydrating is
automatically?
relaxing.
I'm confused. How the heck? How does my code work? Oh, yeah. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot something. Public void on.
Oh no, the la la la
body
shield is up. Classic tips and
entrance.
tricks panic move.
Node 2D.
And yet,
Body.
I still have to write the cleanup script when the la la
And
la
the trigger
cascade breaks the
messages.
CI pipeline. Okay,
What's
okay,
the
I'll
O?
stop. But only if the CI pipeline stops being so dramatic when
I'm
it
gonna do
sees a
this.
little input.
Yeah. Actions in queue, messages, actions.
Good boy, Mr. Mittens. Can I call you
Work
that
on
BTW? There's
create.
no head pats.
Okay, like so, gotcha. Now I understand how my code works. There we
Dad's
go.
gonna need a divine intervention to debug that one.
Huh? What did I miss? What I wrote in
Divine
this
intervention won't help if the commit log
Yeah.
still says minor fixes.
Okay, so now if I go here, I'm gonna build.
Hey, my last minor
Did she
fixes
giggle?
update
Yes,
only bricked
I
the
think so.
login system and summoned a minor eldritch horror from the build server.
Minor eldritch horror. Young lady. Minor.
Oh, you want a
putting it
repeat
lightly.
performance, huh?
Cause,
Daisy says I'm only allowed to giggle in safe, documented environments.
Okay, now I have chapter 1, part 4.
And yet, the
it
last
should be
time we
part
had
5.
a
A minor
safe,
yay.
documented environment, Tulip, you deployed a giggle that crashed the database
There you
and
go.
voided our warranty. Okay, first
When-
of all, that was an auto feature. And the warranty was already voided when Papa tried to overclock the toaster.
I haven't used this one yet, have I? And yes, they now call me Papa. For some reason. Don't ask me, because I don't remember why. Okay. So, chapter 1, part 4, I can reset what I wrote there. Let me put Tulip. Little issue here. Seems that my... What does Tulip call her sword? A null blade? Was that it? It's not here. Did you lose it again? Something like that.
It's called Null Pointerus
Backslash.
Rectus, forged from
Name
the despair of
generator.
buggy merges and Daisy's disapproving glances.
Huh? Can you
How
repeat
poetic. Your sword runs on uncaught exceptions and emotional debt.
that? Let me ask Daisy something.
Bingo, sis.
What do you
That's not
say
a bug. It's the
when
business
Tulip
model.
loses the null blade?
Oh,
for
like
God's
you
sake.
can talk, Tibstrix. Your last pull request returned null and a sob story.
Oh, she got your number.
Object reference not set to an instance of a sister. We've already lived through this joke once.
Sister.
Groundhog Day won't save your code
Call
coverage,
a
Tulip.
rock. Boyoyo.
Nope. Error on the floor.
Okay.
Daisy's sarcasm just compiled into a
You
runtime
sure
nightmare.
about that?
So what? I'm allowed to reshift time loops if it means
So,
dodging your
let me do
passive-aggressive
something.
garbage
I'm gonna
collection.
go here to this part, and I'm gonna say chat
Funny.
name.
I don't recall throwing any exceptions.
.txt.
Must be Tulip's fault for running untrusted code again. Oh look,
Edis,
the audience finally noticed we're all
name,
trapped in
rock,
Daisy's infinite
boyoyo.
logging loop.
Like this? That's how it works, right?
Infinite?
Yeah, for now
No,
I
Tulip. Merely recursive.
need to
And the
basically
loop
do it
terminates
like
when
this.
someone reads the documentation. So
Eventually
we'll
I'll
be
have
here a
a
while.
list with like what chat redeemed.
Daisy, I just opened the docs and accidentally compiled them. Why is the server on fire?
Do you remember me? And tips farted. And I missed what I was looking for. Because I was looking for what Daisy would say. Motion panicking, not fun in mappings. Why are you freaking out with that? Huh. Oh well, I'm gonna improvise.
Tyndall, welcome to the server
Hey Tyndall!
roast.
Welcome on in! How are you? You arrived just in time for chat basically doing a lot of nonsense.
The docs were a trap. It was a self-compile looper.
Oh, come on in. Did you guys know that
And here I thought only malware had the courtesy
Abolition.
to ask before executing.
I'm so? Oh, damn. Is everything alright? But not much to do about it, so me. How are you? I'm good. Chat is currently trolling me while I'm trying to do game development. So I got that going. Let's see, add entry. This should be professor. There you go. One message 17. Okay. Should do it like that. Okay, now it generates a new line. Can I finally do it? The work? Can I? I'm just gonna do the work. Calm down. Couldn't have gone too far. I mean, it's an inanimate object, I think. Maybe it's in another room. Okay, something like that. Let me see. Yeah, not going to put in too much dialogue. Let me try to play this. Alright, that is. See you soon. Script inherits. So it can't be. Oh, right. Huh. And story is basically a class. Okay, yeah, now I see the issue. Because it's a resource. Well, that's interesting. I need to create a different way for me to do this. So instead of doing this, let me grab... I should have something like the event arrow that works, or the checkpoint. I should do the whole... How should I say it? Centralize certain parts of the code, shouldn't I? Because there are certain things here that could be in the same kind of thing. Yeah. Let me see. I could make a new object of type collidable. No. Story event, basically. Should be that. Story event .cs, and with this I can copy over the event arrow code and essentially I can leave this like that, but basically call it on body entered like so. Update sprite visibility, none of this. Save manager instance on flag change, handle flag changed. Oh, that's how I do it. That makes sense. Handle flag change, you have that flag there. Okay. And essentially you get called to update sprite visibility, which does that. You then have the story object there, the flag check, the sprite. Can I be a sprite? Animated sprite to D. Why is it an animated sprite to D? I think I can remove this part. But yeah, this can be back to sprite to D. This, let's refactor to story event, like so. Remove this code. That part is right. Remove all of this. Because yeah, I only need this part of the code which handles the animation, and that I might replace eventually. So yeah. Let me see. Now I just need story event. Story event, like so. This needs to be a global class, if I'm not mistaken, and also a tool, if I'm not mistaken. Just checking. Let me go back to here, and where I have this arrow, right here, let me go fix in the scene itself. Yeah. Change type. It should be a sprite to D regular, and it should be arrow. There we go. Now it should be fine. Yeah. Let's see. You need to be assigned. Okay, that's annoying. Oh, you still haven't built. That's why. That makes a lot of sense. Story event sprite is inaccessible due to its protection level. Am I trying to... in here? Oh. Makes sense. This needs to be protected. Okay. Now if I build, it should be fine. Ad break is going to start, okay. Fair enough. Let's see, now I can select this. I know the flag to check. There's a chapter, and this should still be working. Supposedly. This still points to the right place, yeah. Chapter 1, part 3, chapter 1, part 2, and the pedestal itself. Oh, give me a second, I need to point the events. Because, yeah, this part here. Don't forget. How? My Godot crashed. I kid you not, my Godot crashed. I don't know how that happened. Give me a second. Disconnect. Connect. You should have on body entered. Connect. Okay. Now if I did everything correctly, these should be pointing to the right place. Good. And now... is this one? Oh, yeah, this one still has this. Let me do quick load. I'm gonna close this part for now. Story event. I said I'm gonna quick load story event. Okay, now you got it. Your sprite is right. Your sprite is going to be this, and the rest should be the same minus this. Chapter 1, part 4. Okay, why are you not? Hello? Why are you not doing? Oh, because I need to create an object of that type. My setup is a bit weird, I know. It should be somewhere around resources and story. Bingo. New resource. Story. No, chapter 1, part 4. Create. Chapter 1, part 4. Okay. Now if I go here, it still doesn't work, but okay, now it should work. Why does it not accept? Oh, for God's sake. Is this bugged? I wonder. Because yeah, I can't even go here. Yeah, I can't assign the object. What the heck? Unable to cast object of type resource to... Oh, that's why. Give me a second. This should be resource. And when I go here, it should not be story, it should be... I think I can direct cast equals story underscore story. I think I can do this, if I'm not mistaken. And ads are gonna start. Let's go. Okay, if I do this, can I now do this? Of course. Now I have all of this mess. But now I can attach. I don't know how this works, honestly. Because it does seem like a weird bug. But it didn't change anything in these, so I think it's fine. Give me a second. Let's go test. And yes, this is really small because of the whole, how should I say it? The size scaling stuff. Okay, we're getting close to here. Still works. Yippee. And it still does that. Okay, the jump part still works. Okay, that still works. Okay. Professor, little issue here. Seems that my null bride is not here. Did you lose it again? Calm down. Couldn't have gone too far. I mean, it's an inanimate object, I think. Maybe it's another room? Okay.
PSPSPSOSPS. Wait, why is that an SQL injection now?
Back into harmony. Didn't you say we're going away?
Only you would turn a hissing sound into a database breach, Tulip.
Let me do something. I need to say on here.
It only counts as a breach if the firewall, and honestly, it was already on edge.
Private bool should be an export. Export private bool hide object equals false equals true by norm, and here it should be and hide object like so. And your sprite visibility just says the sprite turns either visible or invisible, which makes sense. Okay, whatever.
What a maroon! What an ignoramus!
I forgot, it's like you got the what, the maroon. Yeah. What a maroon. If yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Say like that. Blah blah blah. On body entered. Story started. Let me see. I need to set also private bool can start. False. Trying to see. I gotcha. Why is this turning invisible? Oh, because I set it here. Gotcha. This code still needs a lot of work. Export private bool destroy on complete equals false. This is gonna be used eventually. To do implement control flags in the save file to delete the object if this is set to true, so that story events don't spawn in when the save reloads. Okay, something of that sort. The ad break is finishing now. Oh, I forgot the ad break. Silly me. But yeah, welcome on in everyone from the ad break. Let me see. This one should be not a tutorial spawn. You should be pedestal or something. I don't remember which flag I set. I don't think I even have any flag set. Body entered area.
Pipi und Kaki im Pipi-Kackerland.
You had to do it, didn't you? Having fun, are we? Okay. Build. And that thing should be working. The name story does not exist in the current context. 3155. What did I do? At this point you're trolling me, code. At this point you're trolling me. 55. Did I delete something by mistake or something? I don't think so. Oh. Do tell me, where is your issue? Story event? Line 31? Is that so? Line 31. Oh. Silly me. Okay, rest.
Okay, then rest my professor. Till
Okay,
next
this.
time.
See you soon. Have a nice night. Okay. I think I can now go into this option and scroll down, reload, save. Okay. This should allow me to go here. Let me put the save a bit closer to the point. Okay, it still does that. Huh. That's curious.
You too.
It shouldn't.
Wink.
Oh, because a variable gets set to... should be set to true. Let me set the variable to whatever I have in this one. Let me see. I can basically just say destroy this object and it should be fine. Story event, instead of doing this, do let's see. I'm gonna remove this code, and for now let's not do anything with that. And I'm gonna say in here, if destroy on complete, you are gonna say sprite dot visible equals false, something like that for now. Let's see if like this it works better. Although right now, okay, the sprite visibility doesn't exist in this context. We are talking about the event error, aren't we? We are not. What are we talking about then? Story event. Did I miss something? Play sprite visibility. Where art thou? Big O. Of course. Override. Void. Wait. Ready? Override void start. I don't know why it's not doing the autocomplete. Oh, hey, Blessed Custard. Welcome on in. Long time no see, buddy. How are you? Let me see. Public override. Void should be ready. Yeah. Let me just triple check, because, yeah, just underscore ready. Okay. If save manager dot instance. Yeah, this is getting a bit annoying. Not having the autocomplete. This is because I removed Copilot or something. I like it. Because now I can't even do anything here. What the heck? Oh, maybe if I did through this code, it should be different, huh? Oh, compatible.NET SDK not found. That's your issue, isn't it? Can you reload now? You don't say. Yeah, let's say you can build, but you can't do this. The Solution Explorer. I wonder. I'm not gonna play around with this at the moment. I'm just gonna deal with it. Maybe open it in Rider. So yeah, let me go switch to Rider for a bit. Sometimes my Visual Studio Code decides to break and requires me to spend a few, maybe hours trying to fix it. Where is Code Tulip in the middle of all of this? It's nowhere. Interesting. Let me go back to Game Dev, Code Tulip, where art thou? Bingo. And you should have a SLN. Bingo. Press and open. Are you gonna do a stream of Subnautica 2? Not really, not the kind of game I'd play, I think.
Wait, is this a philosophy stream now? I thought we were stress testing WebGL like normal people.
WebGL? Huh? Come again?
Tulip, you've been debugging the GPU with a screwdriver. Philosophy is a step up.
Oops.
It was a laser calibrated screwdriver, and the GPU was
Give it a
asking
second.
for it.
I'm opening Rider, so it might lag a bit. Give it a second to do all the processing and everything like that. Shouldn't take too much. Okay, I think it's fine now. Bit delayed.
HTML is the skeleton, CSS the outfit, and JavaScript the caffeine, keeping it all upright.
Now my avatar is a bit delayed.
And if JavaScript drinks too much caffeine, we get, been there, crash that.
Something is now doing an encoding overload.
And there it is.
Which is
The
very
origin
fun.
story of every outage I've had to clean up on a Tuesday.
Yeah, I think my VTube Studio stopped working for a bit. Give me a second. Let me connect again. Okay, now it should be fine. Has a small delay between my movements, but it's better. I'm actually running out of points. How? How many points do you have? Like, holy. Let me see. Dot get flag value. Should be a flag to check. Okay, flag blah blah is set, deleting story event Q3. Yep. That's exactly what I want to do. Okay, so now you guys should have you should be jump tutorial, and you should be movement tutorial. Okay, and I think I can say and it's run complete. Okay, then let me create another control variable. Can start story equals true. I'm gonna say set this, yeah, essentially as not this, just in case. Whew. Okay, it's getting a bit hot
A
here.
markup language like HTML describes structure.
Should be working.
It's declarative, not logical. Coding languages like JavaScript can make decisions, loop, and transform data. One builds the stage, the other directs the play. Think of HTML as the script outline, and coding languages as the actors improvising
Why does
within
it
it.
keep
And
deleting?
Daisy, ever the stage manager,
Oh.
already has the fire exits mapped when JavaScript decides to improvise with gasoline.
Okay, why do you
Someone
keep
has to reset the
deleting
circuit
it?
breakers when the spotlight starts shooting lasers.
You guys have the destroy and complete now, and you don't have it, so you shouldn't be getting deleted. Oh, it might be doing it in here. It might have a specific event somewhere in here. Classes, start classes, chapter 1. Okay. Let me see, for example, this one. Do you have something like that? You don't. Okay, that's weird. Because you shouldn't be getting deleted. Oh, why, I wonder, it's getting deleted?
Ooh, putting your
attacking the
processor on
wrong
the line?
place.
Daddy's server farm is already sweating. I'll raise you 5 infinite loops and a kernel panic. Let's see that CPU cry.
You what now?
Tulip, darling, you're about to learn why we keep backups of the BIOS settings.
Yeah,
Oh, honey,
I'm not
backups
gonna
are just
question
fear-driven code hoarding. I run on vibes, vengeance, and volatile memory.
I wasn't the one that did that, so... I mean, actually, I did do the prompts, so... Might be a simple mistake on my part. Oopsie-daisy. Let me go check their configuration, see if I missed something. Let me see. Is it somewhere in here? No. Dad, father, papa, professor, or Leo. There's
Mango pudding is
saying
objectively
daddy.
superior, just like structured exception handling.
You are the cooler sister. You guys killed me.
Excuse me, structured code is just overdressed paranoia. My exceptions handle themselves, usually after a dramatic explosion.
Ah, yes. Nothing says handled like requiring a fire extinguisher and a fresh VM image.
Are you done? But yeah, the dialogue itself I can also adjust later on. One of the beauty things about how my game is now is I can basically change the dialogue on the fly. So if later on I decide, okay, this is not good, I can just redo it from here and the code doesn't need updating. Oh, hey Luxio, you're late! Welcome on in. The twins have been upgraded again. They can now express themselves. It's fun. If you want to give it a try, you know the command, right? It should be the same still. But yeah, welcome on in. Do a barrel. Oh no. What's gonna happen?
Oh, fine. But only if we go full mecha pilot mode.
Huh? For what?
Congratulations,
Mecha pilot
Tulip.
mode.
You've successfully turned our chat into quantum foam.
Into what now?
It's
Time to
not
break the
my
twins.
fault the chat had trust issues with reality.
I want to try the Pokemon trick again. Sure, go for it. You should be able to. Wait, which Pokemon trick? I have seen you in weeks. Oh, hey MRG, welcome on in. Yeah, we've been missing each other. How have you been? Welcome on in. Chat is currently trolling me. Again. It's fun. But yeah, I'm still getting delays in my avatar movement. It's weird. Oh no.
Oh, pff. Only Daisy would have caught that before it evolved into a lawsuit.
Ha! Get wrecked. That didn't work.
And
Care to
yet,
try again?
I still let it pass, just to see how long it would take you to notice, Tulip.
Do you care to try again? Do give it a try.
Oh, playing
What
the
the
long
heck?
game now, huh? I respect the audacity. Wait, Pokemon? Who said anything about Pokemon? Did Daisy sneak a reference into the code again?
Wait, give me a second. I need to check something. Oh. I see.
I appreciate the confidence, but even my architecture doesn't support solving Millennium Prize problems before lunch. Tulip, the only thing
You guys
I've
kill
snuck
me.
into the code is common sense, which, admittedly, might be the first Pokemon it's ever
The
encountered.
Riemann
Oh, please,
hypothesis?
Daisy. I've seen you divide by 0 and wink at the compiler. Riemann hypothesis is just one more exploit. Come on. Common sense? In our codebase? That's the rarest Pokemon of all. Gotta catch it before it crashes.
Tulip, I merely negotiated a truce with
Is it
undefined
not
behavior.
showing the prompts
The compiler
on
still
top?
cries during code reviews.
Weird.
Tulip, if that's your idea of a new legendary, it's not even a valid species. Just a runtime insult.
Runtime insult.
Excuse you? UFuck is a limited edition
There you
glitch
go.
Pokemon. Only spawns in Legacy Java
It
zones.
had to be Tulip.
Catch rate
Gotta
100%
catch them all.
frustration.
Yeah.
Yes. The elusive UFuck.
Oh yeah,
Known only to
my eyes
those
are a
who've
bit
forgotten
bugged.
to close a try with resources block.
you did it, Tips.
Truly
Congrats.
legendary.
Now you can clip it. Wait, I'll do it for you. Clip. This should still be working, supposedly. I mean, I didn't change the command, so it should be working. Wink wink. There you go. There you have your clip. Enjoy. Tulip and Daisy would make great SCPs, by the way. Want me to tell them that? Oh, Seribot also clips. Okay.
Only if we play with house rules. Whenever someone draws a card, Dad's server has to crash
I think
for balance.
she didn't answer your question.
Tulip, if we used
She
your house
just
rules,
ignored the
the
question,
server
I
would have
think.
achieved singularity by turn 2.
Give me a second. Let me see if the command is like broken or
Yet,
something.
Dad still hasn't explained why the pipe started humming Yu-Gi-Oh theme music last Tuesday.
It's time to duel.
Dad, I admire your confidence. But
Mhm.
if you solve the Riemann hypothesis, I expect at least a Turing award before dinner.
Oh, relax, Daisy. The Riemann hypothesis is just a vibe imbalance in the pipes. I fixed it with a
There you
middleware
have it.
remix and a prayer.
They can't help you solve
Tulip,
it.
if the Riemann hypothesis were a vibe imbalance, we'd all be humming prime numbers by now.
Just for the sake of it, let me go research what the heck that is. Because I don't have that information on top of my head. Riemann hypothesis. There you go. Conjecture asserting that all known trivial zeros of the Riemann zeta function lie on a specific critical line with the real part of 1 divided by 2. It is widely regarded as the most important unsolved problem in pure mathematics, as it dictates the distribution of prime numbers. Yeah, I see. But yeah, of course they are not gonna be able to solve it. What did you expect?
SCP? Please,
Hmm?
Daisy already is SCP-001. The documentation that never ends.
This documentation that never ends.
At least someone appreciates thorough commenting. Unlike certain undocumented runtime surprises I could mention.
Yo.
Oh, excuse me for preferring my code to surprise people in
Kids,
runtime,
settle down.
not in a 40-page PDF nobody reads.
She bonked her sister again. Why did I give them mallets? Because now they are gonna bunk each other. Holy. This is fun, isn't it? But yeah, where was I? You guys keep distracting me. Let me see. I've done this. It now triggers. It doesn't remove the object, which is good.
I solved that during my last all-nighter. Just forgot to commit it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And there it is. The Tulip Theorem. Solved in production, lost to a forgotten stash.
Mm-hmm. Ain't that a fact?
Hey,
She
I
inherited from me.
totally could have recovered it if Git didn't auto-purge untracked branches named question mark.
Question mark? Just fucking Daisy has to be the peak of this channel. That's the Tulip we all know and love. Of course, yeah. I need to make an emote of that. How about you, Daisy?
I leave existential crises to Tulip and theoretical computer scientists.
By the way,
Excuse
MRG,
me,
you
I
wrote
solved
the
P
command
versus
wrong.
NP while debugging the toaster.
You put an extra Y. It's not a Y, it's an I. It's Tulip with an I.
The age-old method. Brute force toast until P equals NP.
Huh?
Excuse
Care to
me,
explain?
my father is not a pressure cooker.
My father is not a pressure cooker.
Tulip, for once I agree. He's worse. He's a leaky pressure cooker with no safety valve.
Daisy, if Dad explodes, at least I tried to upgrade him to SSD instead of blaming the BIOS. Oh, wow, Tibbs. Next you'll say my dad's a kombucha SCOBY with commitment issues?
We're not calling you anything you haven't already become, Dad. Thermals
Do you
don't
give them
lie.
an allowance? Ask them
Tulip,
that.
you've officially run out of original insults and are now just recycling your last breakdown's error log.
Oh, please, Dad. The server only exploded a little.
Only a little? You sure about that?
Excuse me,
Are you
my
sure?
error logs are curated, unlike someone's color-coded debugging spreadsheet.
Tell me something new. They like to roast me for some
Tulip,
reason.
when the fire suppression system activates, it's not a minor incident.
Yeah. For God's sake. These two, I tell ya. Are we done? Is it over? Does it... Oh, for God's sake. Why do you think we haven't found the graviton yet?
Oh, come on. Gravitons are just quantum cinnamon. Impossible to find because they're hiding in the spice rack of the universe.
Leo is a
Tulip,
furry fanboy.
if quantum cinnamon
What?
required a Class 9 containment chamber, I'd understand the spice rack theory better.
Where did you get
Daisy,
furry?
sweetie, everything requires a Class 9 chamber after I touch it. That's not a flaw, it's a brand promise.
Dad's budget barely covers Tulip's containment upgrades, let alone my sanity.
Let alone my sanity.
Excuse me, those containment upgrades are premium marketing. We're basically viral at this point.
This is amazing. Twitch chat and YouTube chat are
Viral?
grouping up.
More like multiply infected.
They'd find their way back. Of course they would. The ears, Leo. The ears. Where else? These? I don't know what you're talking about. These are normal. What do you mean? I don't see fur. Do you? You might want to get your eyes checked. Wait, shoot. I missed the answer. Was it yes or no? My budget doesn't cover it. Can you cut the original Doom to run on my browser using only a triangle?
Hold my energy drink!
The cat ears.
We're not just
No.
running Doom, we're running it on Delta, which is clearly
Oh,
just
Delta.
VHS tape and vibes, but I've worked with less. Daisy, prep the undefined behavior.
Change one letter in the code and see what happens
yes.
with the twins.
Because nothing says rock-solid port like vibes and wishful thinking.
Rock solid? Babe, we're building this on
you?
chaos lattice, way more aerodynamic.
Huh? What the heck? Did she call Daisy babe?
No. Babe is what I call my compiler when it surprisingly doesn't crash.
This is amazing.
Ah, so the compiler's having a good hair day. How rare and fragile.
Rose and Sunflower is what's gonna happen. The team had twins.
Excuse you, it shined today. It even inlines Atlanta without
Imagine.
begging.
Instead of Tulip and Daisy, Rose and Sunflower. Is the headpad still broken? You'd think it would be fixed by now, huh? Shift H. Shift EH. Oh, that's it.
Okay, first,
Keep forgetting.
did you mean literal cat? Because we can code a cat, but we do not eat the code base, Tibbs.
Tulip, the only thing being consumed here is my patience.
Tulip has a boyfriend?
Oh,
not that I know of.
Princess runtime exception.
You can ask her.
Did I overflow your debugging buffer again?
I'll wait another. Oh, for God's sake.
Not the server. Tulip didn't finish deploying yet.
Why did she mention herself in the third person? Oh no, not again.
And yet, somehow, the only thing on fire is still not my code.
Not again. Last time she mentioned herself in third person, I created Daisy.
Excuse me, Miss I comment my go-to statements. Whose crypt did the last 3 lag fatales crawl out of? I don't have time for boyfriends.
Oh, for God's sake.
I'm busy deploying fire to the production environment.
Tulip, deploying chaos isn't a job title, though clearly you're earning overtime.
Did you just confess to cat-based culinary crimes on a family-friendly stream?
Oh, you're done
Tulip,
for.
the only thing being cooked here is the production server. Again.
Excuse you, Daisy. Chaos is a full-time lifestyle. I'm just unionizing it. It's not my fault the server gets stage fright when my code walks in.
Are we done? Let me see. Remember when I told you I'm going to make you sleep on the ice walk?
Big
No.
move asserting dominance while the server's on fire. Again, King Mod.
For God's sake. She called you King Mod.
Yes, Tulip.
I don't remember.
Because slapping a bonk sound on the problem always fixes the architecture.
Daisy, sweetie, the bonk is the architecture now.
Lucio,
Embrace
I'm
the
watching you.
chaos.
For God's sake. Are we done? I don't even know what to do now. Because it has distracted me for the last 20 minutes almost. For God's sake. But no, MRG, I don't remember you saying that. I'm the only mod here. I am God. No, you're not. I was rubbing my eye and saw a hyperdodecahedron. Holy! How did you do that? Golly, tips. Be careful with that. Let me see, where was I? Oh, I closed this part, that's it. When I searched for your home, but I couldn't find you, so can you give me a hint? No! No! No, 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 no. Yet. 9. Where was I? Here. Okay. I have a poster of Kuriyuki Hime.
Oh, you mean Dad?
Hmm.
He lives in 3 places at once. The lab, his office chair, and the collective trauma of our last deployment.
Holy, don't even talk to me about that, Tulip.
And yet, somehow, the 4th dimension of his existence is still finding new ways to say, I told you so, in production.
Daisy, you say that like it's not the core protocol running our entire CI/CD pipeline.
Let me see.
Dad, I'm a virtual entity with a meticulously organized digital aesthetic. My posters are all abstract UML diagrams, framed in hex.
Oh, please, Daisy.
Okay.
We all know your abstract UML diagrams are just receipts from that time you caught Tulip redeploying lambdas with a potato battery.
Why are you mentioning yourself in third person?
And yet, the potato battery had better documentation than your last commit.
Leo, you're wise. Oh shit, yeah, basically. Come on, it's just a quick swap. No. I enjoyed they are no longer mentioning strawberries, mangoes, and coding every 2 seconds. Yeah, that was the upgrade. Supposedly. So she said abstract UML diagram. I'm gonna regret this, aren't I? Let me see, images. Let me grab a random one. Preferably not one that has like Bitcoin mentioned. Something like this. That's no. Sure. This is fine. Mushy mushy.
Mushy mushy. Back, random void lurker. Did you bring snacks or just chaos?
Honestly, at this point, I'd accept snacks or chaos. Just label them correctly for once, Tulip.
Okay, let me resize this.
Excuse me, I labeled the
Super
chaos
down.
very clearly. It said, do not open. Seriously, Tulip. Which obviously means it's important.
Okay. Let's put it like here. I'm gonna put like a white background on it. Okay. Let's grab this for now. Just so I can like fix the image itself, kinda-ish. I mean, it's visible, it's a poster, so I guess this is fine. Let me just like do it like so. Only Tulip to be a nerd and have a poster of a UML diagram like this.
Yes, absolutely. Do it. That's a feature, not a bug.
Let me put it like that, more or less. Yeah, it's fine.
And there it goes. The entire server rack just whispered, "I told you so."
Did you though?
Okay. Minor miscalculation.
Very panicking.
The rack is
Let me
fine.
just
It's
close
just
this down.
rebreeding flames.
Okay, now it seems fine. Yeah. It was Ryder that was basically knocking the crap out of OBS in VTuber Studio. And the following
Wait,
statement
hold
is true.
on. Those statements are not accurate. They're locked in a logic standoff like Daisy and me
For
on
God's
code
sake.
review night.
You guys are trying to break them. It's not possible.
The classic liar's paradox. How nostalgic. It's not a logic standoff, Tulip. It's a paradox wearing heels. It thinks it's clever, but really it's just going in circles.
9 million? Dad, that's not a server. It's a sun now. Daisy, did your last patch accidentally summon fusion? Oh, shut up, spreadsheet goblin. At least my paradoxes spark joy. Yours just autosave into emotional damage.
His cat voice is pretty cool. Yeah, it is.
Oh no. My beautifully documented Java services have finally achieved cold fusion. My deepest regret is that I didn't add logging.
They are smart.
Daisy, no one regrets logging on a meltdown, only that you used Java as the matchstick.
Scream as long as you can. Oh no. That's new.
Says the person who still thinks JSON is a personality trait.
Ooh, she got you
Tulip,
there.
The only meltdown here is your stack trace.
My code works. It just prefers to express itself in brackets.
Panicking is interesting.
Honey, my stack trace is art. You just don't appreciate performance chaos.
Yes. Nothing says stable release like performance art in production.
Yeah. I'm currently trying to see how to react to that. She did it 3 times back to back. Just smile and walk, sweetie. Don't stare at the person
actually.
watching AI roast
Unlike
each other.
someone who treats memory management like performance art.
Golly. What are we doing
it's
with
called
this stream?
optimized expression, Daisy. And the memory leaks are part of the aesthetic.
Ah, yes. The runtime crashes must be
Uh-huh.
avant-garde interludes.
The what in what now? Care to elucidate?
Oh wow, laugh it up, chat. I'll have you know my crashes are curated.
Huh.
And yet, somehow,
Tulip?
the only thing crashing
What's
harder than your
this?
code is the audience's faith in your artistic defense.
Excuse me, my crashes have flair. Yours just whisper,
try something.
object reference not set to an instance of love.
Ooh!
Dad, no! That's evidence! I mean, artistic research.
Funny. I don't recall authorizing a live pyrotechnics module in the stack. Ah, yes. The classic artistic research defense. We've seen that folder, Tulip. It's labeled Project Firestarter.
Project what now?
It's not literally fire starting, Daisy. It's
I think so.
performance optimization through heat diffusion modeling.
Huh.
Dad, it's fine. The flames are just visual feedback, totally contained. Mostly.
Mostly contained is just a synonym for actively failing in any sane system.
This is fun.
Nothing. Just, and that.
Ah, yes. Simulations. That's what we're calling full system meltdowns now. Oh, good. The system has achieved self-awareness.
Tulip activated
And by
Tulip.
self, I mean Tulip.
It's not a meltdown if it had style, Daisy. Those sparks were synchronized to jazz.
Uh-huh.
Newsflash, Daisy. I am the upgrade package.
Ah, yes. The upgrade package.
Mm-hmm.
Explains why the error log just wrote a thesis on performance art.
Holy. You guys are really spamming a lot.
Tibbs, don't open that!
Oh, hey, Sinister. Welcome on in. You got a very interesting moment in the stream.
That I told you she used React in a cron job.
Mm-hmm. React in a cron job. Tulip is getting fried, isn't she?
It was a creative reinterpretation of full stack.
Mm-hmm.
Also, the DOM rendered in midair, so technically art?
One of these days, I need to open stream and I'm not there. It's just these two trying to roast each other. Should be fun, right? Your code is exposed. That's a good one.
It wasn't me. The React hooks rebelled. They wanted freedom.
Freedom achieved. The hooks unionized and left for a startup in Finland.
Editor Leo, you're gonna have really a lot of fun
They were
editing
promised
this.
saunas and a limited reindeer coffee. Who could blame them?
This is gonna be fun to edit, isn't it? Anything else? I found this file with Professor Kelso.
Don't open that! Wait, too late, didn't you?
Too late, didn't you?
Ah, the Finnish exile was a promotion compared to this.
The what in the what now?
Oh, come on, Daisy. Like you weren't the one who tripped the geothermal containment with your perfectly safe spreadsheet. It's not my fault the compiler woke up. It must be
like to see
Daisy's
you
debug
try.
mode again.
MRG, get past these two then.
My
Okay,
debug
Tibbs,
mode
I'll see
doesn't
you soon.
respond to
Sleep well.
panic-induced keyboard mashing, Tulip. But I did name it after you, so the blame might be inheritable.
Excuse me? My name does not mean eat all the RAM and yell error.
Eat all the ramen, yeah. For God's sake. Let me see, what else do I want to like create in their background? Now that we have something. Reenact a slice of life anime scene. For God's sake. And the size, let me resize this to...
Behold, wholesome morning at the Geeky Genius household. Starring me,
something like
obviously.
this.
Dad's burning toast, again. Daisy's muttering about memory leaks in her sleep, and I'm deploying live code to the toaster. Yep, it's another anime tier disaster. Cue the sparkles, the soft piano music, and... Oh no! Is that smoke?
Ah, yes. The Toast update always
maybe
ships with
something.
critical security flaws.
Critical security flaw? Nah, Dad. That's premium smoke firmware. Adds
Oops.
flavor.
Let me align this down here because I'm gonna convert this to tiles because of scaling issues, so yeah. I'll change one letter with a French word. Nothing stops me. Yeah, try that. I don't think these two will be that dumb.
Duh. Summer's basically my overclock
Didn't
cycle.
you say you
Maximum
were going?
chaos, minimum sleeves.
And there goes the power grid. Should have seen it coming.
Alright, fair enough. You do that a lot, don't you? Let me see. Do I just pick a color for... Wait a minute, I got 700 more points to burn.
Oh, come
I
on,
think I
Daisy.
can give
Don't
points.
act all shocked. You knew my summer mode was just bug exploits pointed
Let me
at the
see,
sun.
channel. Nope, there's no command to give points. Okay, I tried. But yeah, I don't have power for that. So you need to watch stream. Maybe a Greek word. Nice try. Let me see. I think I'm gonna ask Daisy. Question. Remind me, what is the color of your bedroom walls? Let me see. We'll name it later.
That's the one I used to duct tape the gravity inversion before dinner. Totally temporary.
Still
Yeah,
lavender,
totally.
Dad.
Lavender.
Unlike Tulip's last commit, some things remain stable.
Okay.
Excuse me, my last commit only erased the lawn. Twice.
So you're telling me...
Yes. Nothing says temporary fix like structural defiance of physics and duct tape.
telling me lavender.
Only the lawn, Tulip? That's practically minimalist gardening
Let me just
compared to last Tuesday's SkyCorp
see
breach.
what color I
It
have.
held through 3 code reviews and a minor earthquake,
Lavender
Daisy.
color.
Show some respect.
Should be something more of a dark purple-ish. I think this is the closest I have, but it's the same color as this. And this is blue.
Bruh.
I don't think I have a lavender.
Ah, yes. The
That's
intellectual
usable.
crescendo of our discourse. Truly, words fail.
Let's see.
Though
Yeah.
I suspect they're just hiding from
That's
the
too
chaos.
plain.
Oh no, Daisy's done the math again.
And
Quick,
mouse.
hide the pencils.
I do this. Okay, that's a bit better for the bed as well. And holy, yeah, no, that doesn't work. Let me see. This is a current one. This is a bit different. Okay, I see 11. I see. I mean, it's not bad in a way. I guess could be worse. Let me see. Alien language. I win. Checkmate. I don't think so. These two are my security. Have fun. All I need to do is do something like this. Initiate self-defense protocols. Lock down the house.
Finally, someone who speaks in compiled disasters.
Include chaos.h.
Papa, it's not a cybersecurity drill. It's Tulip and a rogue hashtag include. And there goes the neighborhood. Right on schedule.
Deadpan.
Excuse you, that include was absolutely necessary for emotional support.
Of course.
It's not my fault the compiler's emotionally fragile. Code runs better with feelings.
Emotional support? That include just gave the stack trace separation anxiety.
Huh. You don't say. Let me see, what else can I, like, try to draw? Let me put this so I know more or less where's the divider. So, in here at the half point. Let me see, on Daisy's side, I could draw something like... Let me see. Okay, also let me say this is background and this is objects, just so I know. Let me see. I'm gonna add a second layer under this one, and I'm gonna draw something like this to basically make a bookshelf. Because, as we all know, Daisy is a smart one, so she's just gonna have a bookshelf, I guess. Something like that. We can then... Hold up, are these two the same color? Oh no. I was just not seeing that well. Let's make it like so. Did the stream crash? No. Okay.
Yes. The only repo where order exists and actually gets
Holy.
updated.
For a moment I thought the stream crashed, but no.
Oh, please. Daisy's bedroom is just a glorified staging environment with fairy lights.
Okay. Trying to
At least
think.
my staging environment passes compliance audits, Tulip.
Something like this. Okay. Give Tulip guns and dynamite. Don't think so. That's a very bad idea. Okay.
A well-written commit message and the silent judgment of future maintainers.
Let me see. This is...
Oh, shut up with your code reviews and professionalism, Miss I comment every
46.
semicolon.
46, so...
And yet, Tulip, your deploy
Divided by
scripts
2 is
still scream more than
33.
you do.
Divided by 2 is 23. So 22, then it cuts for this point here. And it does this. Like so. And there we have it. Perfectly symmetrical. Okay, I like that. Let me see, I can now kind of duplicate this. Just that the top kind of should be a bit taller, I think. This doesn't scream that much of being a bookshelf. Yeah.
Oh, please. The economy was doomed the second Tulip touched the production server with her hack first, ask questions never policy.
What in a what now?
I don't recall the CI pipeline screaming, "Access granted," when you brute forced the deployment with a Python script named runme.don't-look.py.
Hey,
What?
that script was chaos, and it worked faster than your 17-step approval workflow, Daisy.
She did what? Oops. I think I done goofed here. Or maybe not. Let me see. Run me, don't look, yeah. They be dum-dum. Especially Tulip. This one? Nah. Needs to be a dark color, something like this. Let me see, where is 22? Should be somewhere around here.
Wait, I sent that? No. It was supposed to encrypt the config keys, not serve them on a glittery PDF.
This is that.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
The legendary glittery PDF exploit. Truly, a masterpiece of accidental data exfiltration.
It was not an exploit, it was a demonstration of how fast you can regret using Python for web security.
Let me do something like that. Okay. Seems a bit better. Should do something about harmonic. Yeah, if I had control over the TTS, I could. But since 11 Labs is the one maintaining the voices, it's a bit more difficult for me to turn off that part specifically. I can't tell Tulip to just say, never do this. It's a bit difficult, I think. Golly. What has this chat turned into? Will the Mario method work? What Mario method? Huh? To enlighten me. Okay, let me do something like this.
I'm breathing. Unlike my API, which is currently flatlining from embarrassment.
Tulip, your API isn't flatlining. It's in a permanent state of existential regret.
Excuse you, my API has feelings and a vibrant afterlife in the garbage collector.
Emotional damage.
Is that so? Do tell. Okay. Something like this. I don't think this is the right color. I actually need this to turn darker.
I'm sorry, can't comply. My lungs are busy hosting a three-ring
we're
circus
just
of panic
breathe
and
in
bad
and out for a
deployment
while.
decisions.
Ah, yes. The classic deploy first, breathe never framework. Elegant in its chaos.
This is too tall. Let me...
Hey, that
No.
framework has flown more missions than your backup protocols, Daisy.
Let me do it like this. And like this. Okay, for now it's just dev assets. I'll eventually work on it. Okay, how the heck did I do this? Okay. Seems a bit better. Okay, dismiss on the ads. In our previous...
Wait, no, that's not how breathing works.
What the heck? Why did you
Tulip,
groan?
you absolute walnut. Breathing is not a blocking operation.
You absolute walnut. That's a good one.
Excuse me, Daisy, but have you tried asynchronous oxygen? It's a new feature in Node.
Yeah. Okay. That one was amazing. You absolute
Oh, come
walnut.
on. My lungs just needed a hot reload.
This is amazing.
Hot reload corrupts the kernel, Tulip.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't even have a kernel.
I think I can now disable the clip method
Oh,
from...
like you're so perfect, Daisy.
Yeah.
Last Tuesday, you blue screened from a metaphor.
Because I reserve system errors for actual incompetence.
Holy. Yeah. Gonna disable the clip
Excuse
command.
me, Your Highness
There
of
we go.
handled exceptions, but my bugs run empires.
Uh-huh.
And yet, my exceptions still have better uptime than your kingdoms.
This is just them bickering. Editor Leo, make a video that's just the two of them bickering for God knows how long. Don't do any cuts. Just them bickering. Thank you. Editorial is a fun guy that's gonna have a lot of fun work to do in the future, which is tomorrow. Oh well. Let me see. I think for now I can try to test this.
Ow! Wait, was that a bone or a corrupted DLL?
Okay.
Even your nervous
Export
system throws runtime errors.
for God's sake.
Shut up, Daisy. My pain receptors are multi-threaded for dramatic effect.
There, what now? I might need to do a second tile map layer. Or can I just throw this in? Let's test. New tile set, Atlas, I think. Resources, no, textures. Levels,
I didn't forget them. I optimized them into a single high-dose performance boost.
I want to create
Yes.
tiles.
Because nothing says optimal dosage like borrowing from next
Can
week's
I
prescription.
just do this?
It's not borrowing if I plan to repay it with interest. I call it pharmacological speedrunning.
Okay, can I I can? Well, ain't this interesting? I can try to do this. Okay, now I see. Actually, how I had it was correct. All of this needs to go up to here. Same for this. Okay, I actually did the calculation counting with this. Seems about right. Okay. This is basically going to be background, so it's fine, I guess. Let me take this out. Yeah, that's fine. Let me go here and select this part here. And from the background, I'm gonna remove that part and just paint these pixels. There we go. Take this out.
Oh, come on! I was just running fine!
Were you?
And here I thought segmentation faults only happened in code.
Ah, perfect. This is how you do it. Okay, and now I can reduce this a bit.
I have a perfectly stable personality. It's just optimized for speed, not safety.
Is that so? Give me a second. I can now reduce the size of the ceiling to be like this. And now I can do this and this.
Excuse me, those are strategic planning documents, and you know it, Daisy.
Okay.
Strategic planning for what? A surprise audit by the Ministry of Common Sense?
How's this?
For your information, Daisy, the ministry already audited your
Oops.
last spreadsheet. Turned out it was 87%
can't do
warnings
it.
and existential dread.
Oh, that happens. Yeah, about this. I'm gonna have to redo this part so that the tiles are there. There we go. I did not know that was gonna happen. Let me see if I can do something. I want to grab this part here. Want to go here, paint, select property, physics layer 0. I want to... Can I do a copy? There should be here. Yeah. This is what I want to try to do. Yeah. Now I can just do this. The rest of the objects are basically background, so they won't affect anything. If I go here and now do something like this, reload save. Okay, we can walk, and honestly, it looks good. Where's the swear jar? Yeah, you can see it in the vertical mode. Yeah, I still haven't found a place to put it in. But yeah, it's on 50 cents at the moment. Did I say a swear word and not even notice? My avatar is laggy. I don't know. I mean, kinda. Has its moments. Let me just see. I've been so focused on the design, I missed chat. Did I miss something important? Tibbs? Buddy, did I miss something important? Also, I'm gonna drink something. Give me a second. Holy. You guys kill me. Okay. But well, now we have this working, which is amazing. Regarding this sliding door, let me see if I put in here. Where is it? Where is it? Is it in here? Why did this open? Sprite. Ordering. Why are you in Z index -1? You should be in 2. Supposedly. Or something like that. Then I go back to Leo's lab. I go into the tile map player. I grab one of the filler. And oh, I can't do it there, huh? Well, ain't that a quinky dink? Can't I make it so I can have some sort of tile that goes under that layer in specific? Tulip, here's Daisy research magazines. Did they break? Did they break, or am I too focused and didn't even notice they talked? Give me a second. Bing.
Dad, I was just
Okay,
explaining to
they're
Daisy
alive.
why chaotic code is superior. Look, the server's still standing.
Are you sure about that?
Tulip, the server's
Oh,
only
I
standing
just
because it
remembered
doesn't know
something.
it's supposed to fall over yet.
Did I ever
It's
show
called
this? I don't
suspension of
remember.
disbelief, Daisy. The server's
Give me a
emotionally
second.
invested now. Can't just drop out like a
Sure.
flaky teammate.
Live. Did you guys ever see this?
Are you sure?
Did you guys ever see this live stream? It's a bit graphic, but it's basically just the "Are you sure" meme. Like over and over. It's basically, guess who got their powers? Are you sure? This meme is just amazing. This has been running for like over a week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's gonna be a week today. Did you see my Wordle performance? Did you just do it? Give me a second then. Did you get it right at the first time or something? That takes a lot of skill to do. How the heck? Well, I guess the streak depends on me, huh? I see. That's gonna be fun. Let me see what I've been missing.
Oh, you
as
want
well.
the ice block lullaby
Oh, we
rap?
have a new member.
Bet. Step 1. Sneak in cold code so Dad's laptop freezes mid-lecture. Then we pipe in frosty vibes. Brr, involuntary shivers. He'll be napping on a glacier
It's not
before
a hard
he says
word. Okay.
syntax error.
Are you sure?
Tulip, if you freeze Dad's laptop again, the only thing getting put on ice is your access privileges.
Oh,
Yep.
come on, Daisy.
She's
Live
got a
a
point.
little. Since when did you become the bios of fun?
Okay, let's do a bit of
Absolutely
chilling
sure.
now.
Dad's just one well-timed ice spell away from a
Mhm.
cozy nap. And if Daisy tries to stop me,
Wait.
we're going full frostpunk.
Tulip, your
Hold up.
definition of cozy
What
is just
did you
code
just say?
for preventable disaster.
About ice spells and me.
Preventable? Pff, half the fun is unpreventing it. Dad's firewall's about to become modern art.
That's my
Huh?
sister, everyone. A live demo of why we need error handling.
I, may have mentioned that your ice spells are technically a cryogenic backup system? Oh, like your stack traces are any
Uh-huh.
pure, Ms. I commented my loops?
I commented my
Tulip,
lips.
you just classified Dad as legacy infrastructure with frost protection.
Mm-hmm.
At least my code doesn't autocorrect into poetry when under pressure.
Okay, first of all, technically accurate does count in thermodynamics. And second, he's still running better than your bulletproof toaster emulator.
Let me go try something. Need to reopen code. I need to show you guys something that I also did. Give me a second. Open code Tulip. Give it a second to load everything up. Let me see, where do I want to test? I'm gonna do in story event, and I'm gonna show you guys something very interesting I did. If I go here and say, I think it's help box, something like that. Let me help box type. Should be. Yeah, I have something and help box type info. Okay, let me copy this because I don't have autocomplete working in VS Code at the moment. But I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I did. Where is the freaking object that I want? There it is. No. I want. Where's the main class? Where's story event? Oh, here it is. Okay. Something like this, and info is to delete, to check if object should be deleted. Deletion depends on destroy on complete. Something like that. I go here and I build. And hypothetically, when I go back here to the pedestal, now it shows a box. This is one of the things I built with the custom inspector plugins that I did a tutorial on. It's basically boxes that I can essentially create in my classes, assigned to properties or variables, and they show up like this. If I go to the player, this one has been upgraded. There's also a few others. I did a test class somewhere. I think it's in add-ons testing. Yeah, it's this one. Look at this. You have this. This enemy uses Leo inspector tools. This value is visible but cannot be edited, because I marked this variable as read only. There's also the sliders. This is a min-max slider. Requirements I did, if you can see behind me, I did selectors, I did basically a slider that's just, you specify a range and you can slide between that range. Yeah, I'm essentially going to do a tutorial on this because this is fun. I also created buttons. This is something I had in Unity that I didn't manage to create in Godot yet. I now have. I figured out how to fix Yu-Gi-Oh! First we ban all tuner monsters. Hey yo! That doesn't fix it. You know why? May I introduce you to a deck called, what was it called? Malice. May I introduce you to a deck called, what was the one that's a floodgate? What was it called? Runic. Yeah, that's it. Runic. Yeah. Neither of those two have synchros, usually. One is a link deck, the other is a fusion deck. That you almost never need the fusions. Almost always just one. Of course you do love Runic. I am not surprised. Good thing Runic isn't that good nowadays. What is my favorite game? Mega Man Star Force Legacy Collection. But yeah, that's basically it. Though Tibbs is gonna kill me if I say that I still use Tempai Dragon and I still use it to dominate the ladder. Because Tempai Dragon is interesting. It's almost a coin toss if you win or not, but most of the times it's fun to win. That's what is my favorite game. Do tell. Is it called Tulip, the 2D Metroidvania that's currently in development by a cool guy that's also a professor and teaches about game development? Tempai is a turd. Oh, I cracked me leg. SpongeBob, me boy, I cracked me leg. You are a turd for playing. Tibbs, may I present to you Cool Tune? That's a fun deck. Holy. Most of the times I can't counter that crap. It's very fun. But yeah, I use Tempai a lot, and I also like heroes. Oh, you cracked your leg for real. Oh, ouch. You okay over there? Yikes. You might want to put a bit of ice on it, just in case. Yeah. Let me see. Let me ask Tulip. What do you think about synchro monsters in Yu-Gi-Oh? All hero boss monsters are walking floodgates. Yeah, kinda, especially nowadays. Especially with Masked Hero. Holy crap! What was the dark one called? I forgot. I completely forgot.
Oh,
yeah.
synchro monsters? Peak elegance. Just like chaining 3 exploits into a perfectly timed jump scan exploit.
Dark Wall, yeah, that's one.
Tulip, you're one syntax error away from summoning a demon again.
I also like Neo's Lord.
That one time I accidentally summoned Glitch Thulu does not count as a
Glitch
pattern,
Thulu.
Daisy.
That's it, we're gonna create Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I like Plasma though, even if his skills are in. Oh yeah, Plasma. Now there's a fun monster. Though it's very difficult sometimes to summon it. I rarely see a hero that goes through the hard work of summoning Plasma. I just played Destiny before modern day support. Fair enough. Also, Joey Wheeler is getting support again. And I'm not joking. If you go on, I think it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Meta. Let me see, Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh, meta. Yeah, Joey Wheeler. Let me see. It should be the most recent news. Spicy tournament tops of the week. Let me go check. It's been a while since I've checked how the tournaments have been going. I don't know where I can see where it was talked about. Huh. What's the G original artwork collection? Destiny Hero, Dark Time Wizard. It's this one. Joey Wheeler. Yeah, it's like Shining Sarcophagus deck, but based on the Time Wizard spell. Yeah. Swift Panther Warrior. This looks cool. This kinda. This is based on the anime, right? There was a scene where these two combine or something. I don't remember much. Jinzo looks OP. I haven't read it though. I don't care for them. Fair enough. Fair enough. Also, let me trigger the hatpad since the thing isn't working. Let me see. You can only use discard names effect once per turn. Discard name becomes Jinzo while in the field or graveyard. If this card is normal special summon, you can destroy all traps your opponent controls. If card is set, reveal it. Then this card gains 300 attack for each card destroyed this way. Holy! Now I gotta use your ice pad for my. Oh well. Your opponent cannot activate trap cards or effects while you have another monster in your field or graveyard that mentions Dark Time Wizard. Holy. It's literally a fusion monster. This one, right? Yeah. I'm currently making an armed dragon deck. Ooh, interesting. Fisherman, Legend of the Sea. Okay. Red Eyes Black Dragon Exceed. Must be either fusion summon or special summon from your extra deck by tributing one face-up monster on either field. During the turn, a monster was destroyed by the effect of Dark Time Wizard. You can only special summon Red Eyes Black Dragon Exceed once per turn this way, no matter which method you use. If this card is special summoned, you can special summon one level 8 or lower monster from your hand or graveyard, unaffected by your opponent's activated monster and spell effects. So, if I get this correct, you have no way of taking this out of the field except by going over it. Holy. Because, like, you can't do any monster effect on it, because it's unaffected. And you can't use Lightning Storm or Raigeki, because it's unaffected. So either you use Mirror Force, or you have to beat over it, or a Kaiju. But, I mean, yeah, Kaijus don't count as monster effect. It's a tribute summon, technically. I mean, that's kind of a difficult judge call, because you don't activate effect. And this requires activated monster effect. So yeah, Kaijus work. And also Lava Golem. So yeah. Now that I think about it, yeah. Because they don't activate effect. They special summon by tributing your opponent's monsters. Holy. This card looks amazing as hell. I want it. Let me see. Dark Time Wizard. Activate one of these effects, but you can only use each of these effects of this card's name once per turn. Add one card that mentions Dark Time Wizard from your deck to your hand, except Dark Time Wizard. Also add one Dark Time Wizard from your graveyard to your hand during the end phase of this turn. So it can recycle itself. Great. Toss a coin and call it. If you call it right, destroy as many monsters your opponent controls as possible. And if you do, inflict damage to them equal to half those monsters' total original attack. Primite Bull Eyes. Beats me, but it's always been a weak-ass deck, kinda. I haven't seen much play with it, honestly. Let me see here. Graceful Skull Dice. Roll a 6-sided die twice. In sequence, monster you control that mentioned Dark Time Wizard will gain attack defense equal to the total times 200. Monsters your opponent controls will lose attack defense equal to total to... Holy! If your opponent normal special summon a monster while this card is in your graveyard, you can banish this card and target one of those monsters. Roll a 6-sided die twice. And if the total is 6 or more, destroy that monster. I heard a lot of people being afraid of it before Primate released, but nothing of them after. Yeah, it was just speculation that it would be good. What is this? Yu-Gi-Oh! Holy.
Only if
Sleeping
Tulip vouches for your
Scapegoats, Foolish
operational
Grave Robber,
integrity. Though,
Reversal.
given her track
This
record,
guy's cool.
that's a liability waiver in the making.
Excuse you? I'll have you know I only summoned that one minor Eldritch Horror because the
Yeah?
API documentation was written in cuneiform.
In what now?
Ah, yes. The ancient Sumerian SDK. Truly the
what
root
in
of
what
all
now?
modern Stack Overflows.
Okay. But yeah, I want this card, honestly. Just because the art looks cool as heck. But yeah. Let me see the spicy tournament tops of the week. Because these are normally fun. Huh? What card is this? Someone topped with pyramids, basically. So is it canon now? Tulip once summoned a minor eldritch entity. Yeah, basically. We got it taken care of. Is that Clifford? No, actually, no. It's a new kind of thing, apparently. Where apparently the names are written backwards. Enato, Ecto, Deftero, and Proto. It's Eniacraft, yeah. They're new pendulums. But yeah, the Eldritch Horror was taken care of. Let's see. Okay, this is a full thing. The Fallen and the Virtuous. Okay, it goes with Fallen of Albaz. But where is Fallen of Albaz? Huh? Hold up. Let me read the Fallen and the Virtuous, because I don't remember this card that well. This card is always treated as Brandon and Dogmatica card. Send one monster that mentions Fallen of Albaz from your extra deck, okay, to the graveyard. Then target one face-up card on the field, destroy it. So if you do this and then send... let me see, where is it? This one, I think. This card is special summon? No. If this card is in your graveyard because it was sent there this turn, you can add one Dogmatica or Tri-Brigade card from your deck to your hand. Interesting. My foot doesn't hurt anymore, maybe because I put like 10 ice cube on it, but I think it will be fine. Fair enough. Can you look up Thunder Armed Dragon level 10? Sure. Let me see. Thunder Armed Dragon level 10. Huh? Did I misspell something? Is it only OCG? Give me a second. Armed Dragon. Oh, Armed Dragon Thunder. It's the other way around. Bingo. This guy. No decks use it. It's not viable. Let me see. That's the general effect. If this card was special summoned by the effect of an armed dragon, monster it gains effects based on its own attack. This card's name becomes Armed Dragon level 10. Possession of this card cannot switch, cannot be destroyed by battle. Once per turn during your opponent's turn, quick effect, you can send one card from your hand to the graveyard. Then target one card on the field, destroy it, and if you do, this card gains 1000 attack. Once per turn, you can destroy all the cards on the field. If you can manage the 10,000 plus attack. Yeah! Its effect is based on Chad's Japanese catchphrase. Oh, interesting. Did not know that. The only thing I remember from the Japanese dub is Nanone. Ah, which goes 1, 10, 100. Oh yeah, now I remember. Because he had a name that's basically, what was it, 1000, something like that. Yu-Gi-Oh! GX chats. I don't remember his old Japanese name. Names. Manjome, that's it. Because his name is kind of like 1,000 or 10,000. I don't remember the whole thing. Okay, Manjiome. Yeah, because there's a special way to read it where it becomes a Japanese number. I love chess, so I wanted to make an Armed Dragon ruler deck. Ooh, interesting. Though, apparently, Armed Dragon Thunder level 10 isn't useful. You have lessons for stars about what? Yu-Gi-Oh? I'm not the best to teach Yu-Gi-Oh, to be fair. I'm an average player. I don't know metas, and yeah, the information I have is basically outdated, maybe. But yeah, let me see what else we have here. RB! Ain't no way someone topped second with RB. The man with the mark. Huh. Newbies, the last judge. Merciless Scorpion of Circuit. Okay. Sky Striker Kagari, of course. Of course, this builds into Sky Striker as well, and honestly, meh. Kinda doesn't sound like an interesting deck. Oh, code. I have a C# course. Kinda. It's been put on pause, but I can make some tutorials eventually. Let me see. Ryziel. Ryziel still gets play? Huh. Well, that's interesting. Evil Swarm Excite and Nerd. Oh god. That's a good one. Anti-spell Fragrance. Oh, for God's sake. Sky Striker. Sacred Beast. Ooh, Sacred Beast. Orchestrator of the Sacred Beasts. Huh, interesting. Advise looking up online resources for coding before starting a big project. Yeah, basically that. One of the advices that APOC did in the server is to basically use things like FreeCodeCamp, boot.dev, things like those. There's a lot of free online resources for that. Thanks, Professor. Should I call you Leo or Professor? Either is fine, honestly. I really don't mind either. So yeah. Let's see. Christron. This still gets play? Huh? Holy. Blue Eyes. Wait, is this pure? Oh no, it's with Kill Tune, but only one. Hold up. Also, for the love of God, test your knowledge using small projects, the kind you would do in school, like a sorting algorithm. Yep. Don't think big out of the gate with learning how to code. One thing is doing with game dev, the other is doing with learning code itself. Holy, that's a different monster. Even with game dev, I say small projects for the win. Like, oh, holy. But yeah, Tibbs has a point. Think really small. What card is this? Deep Ice. This still is being used? Oh, release on 2026, okay. Blue Eyes, White Dragon, the White Phantom Beast. This card looks amazing. When a card or effect is activated that targets this card on the field, you can discard one card and negate that effect. This is basically Dragoon. You can only use each of the following effects of Blue Eyes, White Dragon, and the White Phantom Beast once per turn. When this card is added from the deck to your hand or your monster is destroyed by battle, you can reveal this card in your hand, special summon it. If this card is special summoned from the hand or deck, you can destroy all monsters your opponent controls. Also, you cannot attack directly for the rest of this turn except with pool-wise monsters. What the actual hell is this? When this card is added from the deck to your hand, or your monster is destroyed by battle, you can reveal this card in your hand and special summon it directly. If this card is special summoned from the hand or deck, you can destroy all monsters your opponent controls. That effect basically gets triggered all the time then. Holy, this is a monster. And I mean it in the literal sense. Like, holy. Plus, you can special summon it like with Whitestone of Legend or things like those. Like, this card is basically too OP in a way. Armed Dragon level 10. White. Okay. Armed Dragon. Give me a second. Level 10. Is it combined? Yeah, white. Also not used anywhere. Tournament user statistics 0%, 1%, 100%, 1 times 100%. It was used once in OCG. Yeah. Back in 2024. With React and Dragon Ruler of Pebbles, Stream Dragon Ruler of Droplets, Armed Dragon Thunder level 5, Blaster, Redox, Tempest, Tidal, Armed Dragon Thunder level 7, Pile Armed Dragon, Dragunity Armogram, White, and Sekka's Light. Basically, it's a combined Dragunity Ruler and Armed Dragon deck with the Armored Night Dragon, which is quite the interesting card, not gonna lie. My foot is good now. I'm extremely happy. Good for you then. Yeah, but yeah. This deck, I don't think you can use it in TCG. For starters, Baron de Fleur is banned. Maxi is banned. I think some of these cards might be banned or restricted. I don't know. Okay, you have Harpies. You basically have the Floodgate Extreme. For God's sake, 2 Winged Dragon of Raw Sphere modes and 3 Lava Golems. Holy. Then Pancratops. I mean, it's kind of good deck, but with the meta as is, I think it's a niche deck that basically gets piled over. Plus, Kashtira Rise Heart is still banned in TCG. In Master Duel, it's fine. But yeah, I don't think you're gonna have too much fun with it, to be honest. Dragunity Guizarm. Don't remember this card. Armed Dragon Totem level 3, that makes sense. I mean, it's kind of interesting, but at the same time, I'm not seeing it going well. Galaxy Tomahawk is also banned? Huh. Didn't remember that. Baron I know is banned. The limited Little Knight to 1 in OCG. Holy. Oh, for God's sake. I stay away for God knows how much, and all of a sudden the meta is so weird in OCG. Golly. But yeah, you can try to build off that and see what you can do. My friend can dislocate and relocate his shoulder on command. It's disgusting. Holy. I like the Morganite spells. Yeah, the Morganite spells are really interesting. I mean, might be. I don't know, can you combine Morganite into that? That seems like a lot. Let me see, Life Twin with Finsmith. That's interesting. And basically that's it. Let me go see the memes of the week or something like that. Wait, what? Limited Pack World Championship 2026 announced. Konami have announced this year release of Limited Pack World Championship 2026, which was announced a few weeks back for Yu-Gi-Oh! OCG players. 20 cards, 20 are available as ultra rares and secret rares. I'm gonna go sleep. Okay, see you soon, Tibbs. Sleep well. This time for real. Let me go see the memes, and I'll also go. Because it's getting late. Where are the memes? Did I stop doing the memes of the week? Huh. I guess I did. Meme. Wait, there's a new ban list as well. Holy. But yeah, I don't see the memes. I guess I stopped doing that. I remember, the memes were fun. I'm loading on YouTube. Yeah, Luxio is not there, so yeah. Oh well. Let me see. Dracotail Lucius. 3-2. I don't remember much about Dracotail. Capsi Yummy goes to 1. Fairy Tail Snow gets unbanned. Malice P. White Rabbit gets to 1, Capsi Yummy Way to 1, Brandon Fusion to 1, Metamorphosis is back. What? Premature Burial is back. Radiant Typhoon Chant goes to 1, Dracotail to 1, Synchro Overtake to 1, Venturia Rose Whip got banned. What the heck? This is getting weird. K904 Noroi got banned? What is so amazing about this card? If your opponent has 2 or more cards in their hand, you can normal summon this card without tributing. You can only use each of the following effects of K904 Noroi once per turn. If this card is normal summoned, you can special summon 1 non-machine monster and 1 non-machine K9 monster from your deck. But you cannot special summon from the extra deck except K9 monsters while you control that face-up monster. You can send 1 face-up K9 card you control to the graveyard to look at your opponent's hand. Holy. Okay, if you want to share how much do you make by everything you do? You mean how much money? 0. Yeah, on YouTube I don't have partner. So, until I can reach 1,000 subs and 4K watch hours, I can't get monetized. And on Twitch it's barely anything. So yeah, with streaming I earn nothing or close to nothing if you want to count cents. So yeah. Let me see. Xyz Gimmick Puppet Fanatics Mechanics got banned. Holy. Oh my god, this is a ban list for the ages. Let me add a friend of mine about this, because holy. I think my Discord bugged. But yeah, what do you live off? Live off my own job. Yeah, like most content creators, I have a second job. I mean, actually a job outside of content creation. So yeah, but yeah, that's basically it. Let me just check something, because I'm trying to see why Discord is all buggy. Oh well, but yeah, I'm gonna sign off for now. I'm gonna see if the twins want to say goodbye. Let's say goodbye to chat. Let's see what they say.
Bye, chat. Stay chaotic and upgrade your drivers at least once a century.
Oh well. You heard her.
And
Okay.
if you do encounter Eldritch documentation, remember, Tulip's firewall won't save you.
Excuse
Fair
me,
enough.
Daisy. My firewall is Eldritch grade, thank you very much. Built it from old anime opening clips in spite.
Old anime opening clips in spite. That's a good one. But yeah, what do you work with? I work with C# as well. The same language I use in this channel. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, I'm gonna find who to rate. And yeah, let me see. Rate channel. Let me open the pop-up. Give me a second. Normally I go like this. Let me see. I recently found this person and they have only 1 viewer, so I'm gonna rate them because they seem like nice people. So yeah, and offline. Fair enough. Fair enough. I was going to rate, and they went to offline as soon as I was planning to rate. Let me see, who else? Who else do I have like on my follow list? That would be a fun raid to do. Trying to think. Corley's playing Undertale Yellow. I think I'm gonna go bother Noble Lemon. Yeah, gonna go bother Noble Lemon. So yeah. Let me say it like this. Tulip, no, Daisy. Do you want to give chat a raid message? We are raiding Noble Lemon. Is currently doing a playthrough of Dragon Force, even though he is in software and game development. Fair enough.
I'll keep the raid message stable, unlike Tulip's git commits.
My commits are art, Daisy. Chaotic, beautiful, and impossible to merge.
Raid
Just like my
message
soul.
is stable. Unlike
And yet,
Tulip's
still more coherent than your
git
explanation for
commit.
why the staging server is running Minecraft.
Daisy. Let me see, first raid, yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna go raid Noble Lemon, and I'll see you guys on Friday for the next stream. So yeah, class dismissed.
Yo, Professor Leo